Insab barra l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta fejn illum mistennija jaslu ħafna titjiriet barra minn xtutna. Aħna ġejna hawnhekk u ftit wara se nkomplu sejrin il-Belt Valletta u se ninsaqsu lit-turisti li waslu fostna x'ġielhom jażlu lil Malta bħala destinazzjoni tagħhom.
Heard there's some interesting history in the Valletta and around there, and then there's also the Blue Lagoon and some nice beaches and stuff on the coast. Apparently there's quite a good nightlife scene as well.
We want to go to Gozo, Valletta, and just do a lot of sightseeing.
And what made you choose Malta?
Recommendation from friends. They've been, and they said it's a really good place to go to.
We want to go to Gozo. Gozo, is that what it's called? Yeah, the island. We want to go there, and then just the food and just some nice wine and seeing the sun.
Easter. 6 days. Easter, for Easter.
And how come you chose Malta for the Easter?
Well, I saw the nice, beautiful pictures on social media.
Yeah, we're looking forward to the Easter procession on Sunday.
History and the sea.
Just wanted a little Easter getaway that was somewhere sunny, and we picked Malta.
Well, we do have a boat cruise booked to go to Gozo, so we're really looking forward to that.
Oh, I've heard this is beautiful here, it's very relaxing, and we kind of need that coming from America right now. I need somewhere quiet and enjoyable and some sunshine.
Matul din il-ġimgħa mqazza Malta tħall impressjoni mhux biss fuq il-Maltin, imma wkoll fuq it-turisti li jażlu li jżuru l-gżejjer f'dan iż-żmien partikolari. Oħrajn iżda ġew speċifikament biex jesperjenzaw l-atmosfera spiritwali u kulturali li toffri Malta matul l-Għid.
Well, actually I was in Gozo, but I saw the processions there.
And what did you think?
Beautiful. The history, the culture, the passion that the community has, and that it still has its nice culture intact, still doing the classic traditional stuff. It's very beautiful.
The kids learn a lot from seeing this in very traditional. We don't have that in the UK, so it was really interesting to see how you celebrated Easter.
We went to yesterday's Good Friday procession, and we loved it. Not a Catholic, but love it. First time we've seen a procession this large. I'm from a Catholic state in America, but our Easter processions are quite small compared to this.
We are from Switzerland. It's nice, it's Easter, it's religion, I like it.
Min semma l-ġranet xemxin, min semma l-istorja u oħrajn l-element reliġjuż u tradizzjonali. Dan juri kif Malta matul l-Għid tibqa' attrazzjoni unika l ħafna nies li qed ifittxu mhux biss ix-xemx, imma wkoll storja ħajja, kultura u rilassament.